This is how you have to do the problems. The second question is also there given. So in the second question, x is taken as x is equal to t square. Okay, that is taken, and dx is 2t dt. Okay, and the question is dx by 1 plus root x. That is the question. Integral 0 to 9 1 dx divided by 1 plus root x. Okay, so you have to take x as t square, then the same the procedures. Okay, and similarly next question, integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. For that there is a table I have just given for you. That in that table, the indefinite integral, there is a table. So put x is equal to a sine theta. Okay, for the in the form of integrals of the form root of a square minus x square dx, in that form what should have to be the let that what is the assuming value that has been in the table. If you forget that, please go and check it. Okay, then you will get it. So there is x is equal to a sine theta, so dx is a cos theta d theta, and the upper limit and lower limit are changed to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to a, that it was 0 to a and it is changed to 0 to pi by 2. And exercises. Okay, this is by substitution method. And next is properties of definite integrals. Okay, so first is integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of y dy. Okay, if the variable changes, then the integral value does not change. We can substitute it. That is the substitution. It is the first property. Integral a to b f of x dx is the same as integral a to b f of y dy. Okay, and there is a small proof. It is given for you. Check it. Okay, f of x, integral fx dx is f of x, and integral f of y dy is f of y. Then we can put x as y and dx as dy. Then taking the upper limit and lower limit, you will get f of b minus f of a. That is the same as, so that right and left side are same, so it is same. Okay, and the second property is integral a to b f of x dx is equal to minus integral b to a f of x dx. And always remember, you have to read the lower limit first. Okay, and then read the upper limit. So it is integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral minus integral b to a f of x dx. So look at that, the limit changes, so interchange of limit, it is the second one. If you have to change the limit a to b from a to b to b to a, then it is the negative of the interval. Okay, it becomes f of a minus f of b, then that is the change. Okay, so this is the property 2. And next property is integral a to b f of x dx is integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. We can split a to b in two intervals if it is a to c and c to b. So there is where c is a number which is taken between a and b. Okay, so this is the third property. These all properties are very important. Proof is not important, you just study the properties. And next is integral a to b f of x dx is integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. A plus b minus x dx. So also the proof is given for you. Okay, so let a plus b minus x as y, so minus x dx. So a plus b, a and b are constants. Okay, so if we take that also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so the two integrals are same. And again, integral, next property is integral 0 to a f of x dx is integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, if we take another a minus x where a is a constant, okay, then also f of a minus x dx. These two are also equal. And next is integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. The limit is 0 to 2a. So we can split that limit into two, 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 integral 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Okay, that is another property. And for proving that, just property a and b, to prove that according to that property we can just two examples as given for you. Okay, and b, changing to a by 2. If we have given the limit a by 2, what will you have to do? Okay, next property is integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0, or 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx according to as f of x is odd or f of x is even function. Okay, so integral minus a f of x dx is equal to 0, or integral minus a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. So for an even odd function and even function, for odd function it is 0, and for even function it is 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is even or odd, according to that, integral minus a to a f of x dx is as two values, 0 and 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, and the last is periodic function property. Okay, if f of x is equal to f of a plus x, a is the period. Okay, and then integral 0 to n a fx dx is n into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, if n is the period, that is the periodic function, that is the property. So these are the main important properties of definite integrals. And next is evaluate the integral 0 to 1 x root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, here also we have putting x square is equal to cos theta. Okay, this is an important question. It is different from other questions, so it is important. So please practice this question, that is, have to solve this many times, then only you can get it. Okay, so please do this. And next are some properties, which is we have using properties for doing these questions. Integrals involving modulus functions. Okay, first is integrals involving modulus function. So the method is, you have using the third property here. Okay, if you have given modulus functions in question, what should you have to do? That is, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to c fx dx plus integral c to b fx dx. That should be used, the property 3 should be used in the problems which involves in modulus functions. Okay, so we can split that function a to b in which c has to be taken. Okay, so in the question it will be given for you. So the first question is integral 2 to 8 modulus of x minus 5 into dx. So what should you have to do? Yes, integral 2 to 8 modulus of x minus 5 dx. So we can take c as 5. So integral 2 to 5 mod x minus 5 dx plus integral 5 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. Then first is minus x plus 5, interchanging that, and then you will get minus x square by 2 plus 5x to the limit 2 to 5, and x square by 2 minus 5 from 5 to 8. Your answer is 9. Similarly, the next question, second question has fx is 7x plus 3 if 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, and 8x if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. So exactly the upper limit and lower limit are given. So integral 1 to 4 is 1 to 3 plus integral 3 to 4. So that is the function. Okay, yes. And type 2 is in problems which involve greatest integer function. So integral 0.2 to 3.5 greatest integer x dx. So the greatest integer function we have is 0 if, so we have to know about the definition of a greatest integer function. So fx has 4 values from 0.2 less than or equal to x less than 1, it has 0, 1 to 2 it has 1, and 2 to 3 it has 2, and 3 to 3.5 it has 3. So this we have splitting that integral 0.2 to 3.5 into 4 integral. Okay. Next is using integral 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Using that property you can solve these type of questions. Okay. And next is integral 0 to 2a fx dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to fx dx. If f of 2a minus x equal to fx, that two functions are equal, then you can solve these problems using this property. This is a type 4 one. Okay, integral 0 to 2 pi cos raised to 5x dx. So you have to f of pi minus x is taken, so cos square 5 cos raised to 5 pi minus x, that is minus cos raised to 5x, which is minus fx. So that is 2 are same. Okay, so the properties, as using these properties, answer will be found. And next is the last function, last property, integral minus a to fx equals 0 if it is odd, and equal to 2 into integral 0 to fx dx if it is even. So like that functions has been given for you, what should have to be done, that is this problem. Okay, so this is last question and the problems also. Okay, according to this, using these properties, and you have to do these problems. So you have to identify which is the modulus function, greatest integer function, and if even function is given, odd function is given. Okay, so using these properties you can find the answers. So please do the exercises, workout problems has been given for you, and these exercises also, then you will be easy to answer it. And so this in this is the last section of the integration. Okay, that integration is a main topic, differentiation and integration. I think all of you understood the topic. If you feel any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so integration is very important, which is the inverse of differentiation. So when you have you will understand, if you have clearly understood about in differentiation, then integration should be easy for you. So please try to do problems as possible, and also if you can just make a small note on differentiation and integration as a relationship, difference between them, so then you will have easy for understanding it. Okay, and please do these problems also, and thank you students, have a nice day.